In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create batch invoices QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you invoice multiple customers at once, this workflow will save you a lot of time and reduce repetitive data entry. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online Advanced company and that you have your customer details and invoice information handy. First, move your mouse to the Create option in QuickBooks to open the Creation menu. This is where you'll find the tools for entering new transactions. From that menu, select Batch Transactions. This takes you to a dedicated screen built for adding multiple records quickly and consistently. At the top of the page, choose the entity type you want to work with. For invoicing, select Invoices. This ensures the grid is set up with all the invoice-specific fields you need. Now, fill in the invoice details across the rows. Start with the invoice number. Use a numbering structure that aligns with your company policy, so it's easy to search and reconcile later. Next, enter the customer. Type a few letters and choose the correct customer from your list to keep names consistent and avoid duplicates. Enter the email for each customer if you plan to send invoices electronically. Taking a moment to confirm the address here helps prevent delivery issues later and speeds up collections. Then enter the terms. Choose the payment term your customer agreed to. Setting the right terms now helps standardize when payments are due and keeps your aging report accurate. Add the invoice date. This is the date the invoice is issued and is important for your accounting period and revenue recognition. After that, enter the due date. If your terms determine the due date automatically, use that as your guide. You can still adjust it here if necessary to reflect special arrangements. If your company tracks by location, add it to each invoice line. Using consistent locations helps you slice your reports by business unit, store, or region, and keeps your financials organized. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will create the batch of invoices using the details you've entered. Take a final glance for typos or mismatched customers before saving, since fixing issues now is much faster than editing multiple invoices later. And that's it. You hovered on Create, opened batch transactions, selected invoices, completed the key fields, invoice number, customer, email, terms, invoice date, due date, and location, and saved your work. With this process, you can produce accurate, consistent invoices for many customers in just a few minutes, helping you stay organized and get paid faster.